Yeah, man, heights by great man reach and kept. Our dear man, never sleep by your dream, man. Before you start dreaming, you have to first wake up. Today I'm presenting you with 16 health benefits of what? Jamaican sea moss straight from the coral reef. Remember, the coral reef is the one that the sea get the chance to breathe, which is the powerhouse of the sea. The sea moss, of course, which has what? 92 minerals out of the 102, which the body is just made up of minerals, and the rest is what? A gelatinous substance that is called A3O2, which is the flesh of fruits. Let's go. 16 health benefits of sea moss. The first one we have, it boosts the immune system. If you're looking for something to boost your immune system in this time, you have it right here. And yes, we have it for sale. Number two, it rids the body of mucus, the best top number one mucus remover. Yes, is what? The Jamaican sea moss, of course. The third one, we have a healthier lungs, and it improves breathing for the persons who have breathing problem. Yes, your bronchiole, I don't remember how to call that word, but yes, your lungs, the tentacle of your lungs, yes, man, free up everything. Number four, this sea must purify the blood. Number five, it helps regulate blood pressure. If you're a person going through blood pressure and you want to increase the size of the lumens of your veins and arteries, see it here, the Jamaican sea moss. The next one, number six, it increase energy. This is a natural energizer that boosts the energy. Come on, come on. Here is the best. Number seven, it aids in women health. For women that is looking for health in your body, yes, functioning of the woman menstrual cycle, etc., etc. Number eight, it improves sleep. Actually, it how does oh boy, this is too much. What it does, it helps to produce melatonin in the pineal gland. Of course, C must do that. This is a sacred and a spiritual food, of course. Number eight, it gives healthier hair, skin, and nails and teeth because it naturally has carotene in it, which is one of the best amino acid for hair, fingernail, and teeth building. Next one, it combat um halitosis. Oh boy, do your research. I may not say everything. And number 10, it assists with allergies. If you're suffering from allergies, come on, come on, come on. Number 11, it better the moods and mental health because neurological scientists say that this is naturally a nerve food. Oh boy, this is a lot of information. The next one, it helps. Number 12, it helps um I'm at number 13 actually. It helps with joint and muscles pain because this remove mucus from the joint, which is called arthritis. Yes, it's the same thing. And number 14, it helps to alleviate digestive issues. So this kills ulcer, stomach. It helps to increase the strength of the hydrochloric acid. Aids in what? Digestion. Number 15, it aids in thyroid health. People that are going through thyroid health and searching for iodine in your diet, never fear, pure Jamaican sea moss is here. And last but not least, it improves sexual performance. Come on, my men. Come over here. You know that get over here. All right. So, my people, we sell it here on KTV Knowledge by True Virgin Herbal Remedies on Etsy internationally. Yes, we ship and also we sell it locally to us here in Jamaica. Peace and light, my friend. Heights of great man reach and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while they companions slept, they were upward tiling through the night. Before you start dreaming, you have to wake up.